Ayun. Hi everyone.
Good evening!
Good evening. Opo, bebe ko, teka lang.
Hi guys! Hi Wen, Block, and Shard!
Good evening,
Hello.
guys!
Ayo.
Long time no see!
Oo nga, no, long time no see. Tama.
Uy, long time no see talaga kasi
month.
may isang buwan yata
Oo.
yun.
Oo.
Kasi for this month, isa lang yung episode natin. Wow, episode.
May isang buwan yun, tapos wala pa kami ni Fritzy nung last.
Oh.
Well, si Fritzy nandun, nagko-comment naman si Fritz. Ako talaga, silip-silip lang. O, diba?
So, out muna kami ni Kuya Laki. Joke lang.
Walang ganyan.
Walang mag-out sa pamilyang to.
Aww. Sige, Chirpy, ikaw na bahala. Hi, good evening po sa lahat.
So,
Yan, taray!
Game na? Sige.
Or do we wait
good
for
evening.
more? Sige, go na. Sorry.
Okay lang. Do we wait for more pa or should we go na?
I think we're good.
We're good?
Okay, I think we're good to go. Let's do it.
So good evening everyone. Welcome to the second season and fourth episode of Books and Chicas. For this episode kasi it's International Women's Month and it's as celebration for University Mental Health Day. We have the honor of welcoming a very inspiring woman who has dedicated her life to empowering others through the transformative power of positive psychology. Hi guys, I'm Richard.
This is Fritz.
This is Wend.
And this is Locke.
Ayun.
And welcome.
Welcome to the Books and Chicas.
Kala ka sabi ni
Ano?
Jordan, welcome to Jollibee. Ganun.
Ay, ganda.
Naka-yellow tayo lahat ngayon eh.
Uy, naka-yellow.
Dahil naka-yellow tayo, welcome to McDo.
So, ano pong order niyo? Willing to wait? Ako.
Pwede promodizer si Chard.
Matagal
Yun
na
talaga
akong
yung
hindi
role niya.
Teka, wait. Ano bang i-promote ko ngayon? Ito. Yung guest po natin is a positive psychology professional. And she is the owner and founder of this organization, Heart to Speak. Heart to Speak gives an immersive and engaging learning experience that allows participants to gain useful and practical tools from the art and science of well-being. Heart to Speak empowers its participants to embrace their authentic selves, grow into more courageous and confident versions of themselves, of course, through the framework of positive psychology. Now, our esteemed guest for tonight is the founder. Driven by a fervent commitment to continuous learning, Mary Jed, or MJ, successfully completed her postgraduate degree in applied positive psychology with high honors at the School of Positive Psychology. This institution is recognized as a pioneering education and training facility in Singapore and Asia, and is dedicated to advancing the art, science, and practice of positive psychology. MJ's academic achievements have positioned her as a sought-after professional, featured on esteemed Asia-Pacific podcasts such as The Positive Arena and the She Networks Asia. With nearly a decade of combined facilitation experience, both in local and international settings under her belt, MJ applies her wealth of knowledge in applied positive psychology to her latest endeavors. Under Heart to Speak, she presently develops public speaking experiences, which are designed to empower individuals utilizing positive psychology tools and techniques and fostering growth into confident and authentic communicators. Aside from that, guys, MJ is not only this empowered boss woman, she is also a reader. Hailing from the city of Cebu, MJ is a passionate book enthusiast and the creative mind behind the Instagram handle Scribbles and Books. MJ's journey into the realm of Bookstagram began with a simple desire to create a space where she could catalog her recent reads. This endeavor soon evolved into the vibrant platform which it is now, where she shares her love for literature with a growing community of readers. Ayun, hindi na ako magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Please help me welcome, guys, our emboldened, empowered, and impassioned guest for tonight, si Miss Mary Jed Ampolitod Pusa.
Welcome! Welcome, Mami MJ.
Thank
Welcome,
you.
Ma'am.
Hi. Hello, good evening sa tanan. Magandang gabi.
Good evening po.
Good evening. Parang pinigilan agad ni Ma'am MJ na magbisaya.
Oo nga.
Control niya agad.
True.
Good evening, kamusta po?
Okay lang. Actually, I just put the baby to sleep and he's still actually awake waiting for me. So, kasi a woman is more than just parang more than just the aesthetic. There's a lot of sacrifices and a lot of responsibilities that we juggle, and part of that is motherhood for me. So please excuse me if you may see my baby being passed to me later on, but I'm happy to be here and I'm very, very excited to spend time with you all.
Ayun. Yes, so thank you Miss MJ for allowing us to for you to be part sa ating chikahan for tonight. So we know that very very hectic ang schedule mo, but still you manage to give time sa amin at sa ating mga viewers syempre. So to kick off yung ating chikahan, so I'll be the first one to give the question now kay Miss Mary Jed. So can you share po yung inspiration nyo in behind founding Heart to Speak, particularly focusing on how positive psychology played a role?
Sure, I'd be happy to share. So this all started when I was still working in Singapore for a couple of years. So I was 22 years old. I didn't have any safety net, and it was like go big or go home for me. So that means to say that parang ako lahat yung gumagawa noon, mga chores, tapos I still have to do my work, and then afterwards prepare my own food and stuff like that. But the real challenge there was what my work was. So yung work ko was an international facilitator. So I was in charge of training and facilitating C-suites, participants, yung mga CEOs, CFOs, and multinational companies, some more. So if you are a 22-year-old, you will experience being looked from head to toe. Tapos parang yung may feeling na ano yung mai-offer ng batang ito for my group, which is already very successful professionals. And I lived my life in a survival mode that way. Parang para sa akin, parang should I really stay here or not? Should I just go back home to Cebu where it's all comfortable and I have everything I need? Why do I still need to parang go through this kind of hardship? Parang ganun siya. And then what happened was there's also even an encounter I had when I was doing an event, and one of the main contact person really told me that I don't want you here. I want your gusto ko yung boss mo. Kasi these are all senior people. So as the receiving end of that line, parang after many nights of preparation for that event, it was a slap on my face, and I felt really down. But I went through the day giving my best, and he happened to enjoy it because everybody enjoyed it as well. So may mga ganun na mga encounters ako eh. A lot of insecurities, especially because I'm a woman in a male industry. So, and of course, my age. Parang yun talaga yung major factor for me. So, then what happened was COVID happened. And I was given a turning point or parang crossroad. Should I stay in Singapore or do I go back home? And I choose to go back home kasi we're building our roots here. So we're also getting married with my husband. Then we're preparing for the wedding. So I chose to go back home, and then I wanted to use my experience in Singapore to help people, empower them that their truth, their story can positively impact the people around them. So Brene Brown, one of my favorite authors, she mentioned that our story can be a survival guide for other people. So that was my purpose of creating Heart to Speak. So in terms of positive psychology, I actually woke up one day thinking, parang I want to make the most of my experience here in Singapore. And since it's the premier hub for education, for all those things, I actually saved up my money to send myself to school there. So I was one of the few Filipinos who graduated in the School of Positive Psychology. And I said, I'm going to bring the tools there that I earned there or that I gained there here in the Philippines. So I'm currently now a consultant, and I'm doing a lot of trainings and hard to speak experiences for companies, organizations, and also for individuals. So my goal really for Hard to Speak is not just to earn money, but more of like to advocate well-being and flourishing, that parang no matter how difficult our lives are, especially now, for example, I'm not feeling well, I have the baby is crying, all those things, we can still choose to live life in a zest, with zest, with energy, and we have the resources we need for us to do that. And that's the main purpose of positive psychology and Heart to Speak. Yeah.
Yan. So, magko-comment lang ako.
Okay.
Kasi sinabi kanina ni Miss MJ, like yung 22 pa lang siya, syempre yung looks niya nun, parang sobrang bata pa. So, ngayon kasi, parang napaka-baby face niya. So, what more? Nung nagsisimula siya, nung 22 siya. So, parang nai-imagine ko talaga yung tingin nila. Siguro sinasabi nila, ala, parang napabili lang ng suka, ganun. Kumbaga, kung
Sa Singapore,
oo.
no?
Sa Singapore pa.
May imagine mo din talaga yung scenario that time, di ba?
True, true. I also had to change the way I look. Parang I have to wear, glasses and red lipstick. Not me.
Para,
Uh,
para makisabay dun sa mga kasabayan mo that time.
yes, tama.
Pero on a professional perspective, napaka parang nakaka-nervous talaga, nerve-wracking yung makipag discuss ka with CEOs, with established people that have their own companies that they're running, especially sa Singapore, maganda yung economy ng Singapore. And so, for sure, yung mga CEOs doon are hindi basta-basta. And napaka-nerve-wracking lang, ano?
Mm-hmm.
Kung i-imaginein mo, the will, yung tatag ng loob to speak in front of them must be heart of steel.
Mm-mm.
Right?
Actually, nakakabilib, diba? Sobrang nakakabilib. Kasi,
True.
i-share ko lang, okay lang ba? Kasi yung kapatid niya, nasa Singapore din, and parang sobrang bata pa din nung nag-start sa Singapore. Well, ngayon, Singapore citizen na siya ngayon. So, parang parang siya yung naiisip ko nung kinukwento ni Miss MJ, yung kailangan go big or go home. Parang ganun kasi siya. Right? Okay, so, sinasabi kanina ni Miss MJ, doon nga siya nagsimula like sa male-dominated industry. So sa pagiging founder naman po ng Heart to Speak, ano-ano po yung mga challenges na hinarap nyo bilang isang babae sa field of positive psychology, and paano nyo po siya na-overcome?
Hindi naman, I would like to highlight na lang siguro that when I took part in the positive psychology industry, it's not like women were being looked down on. So it was an avenue where it was very welcoming. The space is welcoming. So no matter who you are. But I guess the challenge here of being a woman was that there are companies who prefer males for them to yung parang sila yung gusto na maging trainer and facilitator kasi again it's still a male dominated industry, but for me kasi I don't look at people based on gender, nor do I look at people based on their age and what they've accomplished. So I've always believed and I have always this kind of mindset that we're all standing on the same ground. So we're all human beings, we have emotions and feelings. So I look at people from that lens, like it's all about the curiosity. And Miss Fritz and Chard have been through the Heart to Speak mini masterclass, so they understand what I mean. So it's really all about that belief that if you look at people from the space of curiosity, then you would not feel intimidated. Yeah. Hang on a moment. Give me a few seconds kasi I have to check on the baby for the meantime. I'm listening anyway. Yeah.
Go ahead, Mami.
Go
Cute.
lang.
So
How's
it's,
there?
oo. Nakakatakot yun, no? Nakipag-usap ka sa mga CEOs and you will train them.
Oo.
At the age
Imagine.
of 22.
Oo nga. So, it's kinda, ako iniisip ko pa lang kanina, sabi ko, kakayanin yan. Masyadong ayan.
Ayan na.
Hi, baby Sage.
Hi, Sage.
Oh, as mentioned ni Mami MJ kanina, we had this privilege for Book Chicas to have a session with her. I think we had it last February as our way of celebrating the Love Month. So it's for loving yourself more. So we had this session on leveraging character strengths. Tama ba, Chard? Leveraging character strengths to thrive
Yes,
in
character
life.
strength.
Oh, so yun. So I think parang iyak ako. I was crying for most of the time when she had this session kasi it's really heartwarming. Parang naiiyak na naman ako. But it's really heartwarming, no? Kasi
Agree.
it's a different feeling when you talk about positive psychology and di ba may ibang seminars kasi when you join a seminar na para bang it's too preachy or kahit nga when you read books na self-help, they can be very preachy din, di ba? So, it's a different feeling to have the session with Mommy
Yes.
MJ kasi it's more on self-reflection and parang chika-chika lang yun, Char, di ba? But then it's may
Oo.
kasi tawag sa dulot. may hindi ko na may
May impact.
sorry, ayun, Bisaya na.
May
Yes,
kurot,
may-
gano'n.
Yes,
Oh.
gano'n. And
May
we had
kurot.
this, parang,
Oo.
we had this, ang tawag dito, after that, we will be having another round. No, just kumustahan lang after the session kasi it's going to be a lifelong journey naman, di ba? So maybe just, creating
Yes.
ripples in your day-to-day activities. Kung kumusta na yung working on your, what's the term of those strengths?
Character strengths.
Underdeveloped.
Underutilized.
Yes,
Underutilized
ayun. So,
strength.
diba, napachika. So, it's
Ayun.
nice. So, it's a different approach.
Parang naluluha-luha pa ulit si Fritz.
Oo.
Sige,
Ganyan
sobra.
talaga ako. So,
Sobra kasi karamihan kasi ng mga training, 'di ba? It's more on looking at what you can improve, and it just like what Fritz said, usually it comes off as preachy, but the way Mommy MJ and positive psychology does is it's a lot of introspection, tapos it reinforces the strengths that you already have. It makes parang in a word parang validating yung experience kasi nasa sayo na yung lahat ng kailangan mo. Kailangan mo lang ma-realize at ma-acknowledge by yourself. And what I really liked about it is that it's a lifelong process, not just for one session. It's something we continuously apply to our lives.
Nakakatuwa naman yung mga
Ayan. Di ba? Nagkwento din ako.
Hindi, nakakatuwa kasi, di ba, parang nagigets ko.
Kasi it's not, para bang, it's something new, no? Yung positive psychology. Although, yeah, we keep talking about positivity, ganun. Pero parang, it's a new idea yung, for me, yung, personally, yung positive psychology and how you approach yung ganun na aspect sa life mo. So, yeah. So, anyway, ayun. Papunta na ba tayo sa, are we going to go on a break first? Kasi while waiting for Mami MJ, what do you think?
Yeah.
Or
I think we-
baka mamaya ako may gusto pa siyang i-add doon sa yung sa kanina.
And for the rest of our viewers right now, thank you for watching us. You can post your questions for Mami MJ sa comment section ng live natin. And right now, while we are having a break, may pa-icebreaker tayo. Ano pala yung prize natin, Sharp?
Yung usual natin, Fritz.
The usual. So we
Yung-
will be giving...
Yung 10,000 centavos.
Kaya na bahala. Dapat ipa-ship. Ang mahal ng shipping fee kasi ang bigat. So anyway, yeah, we will be giving, kasi it's under Book Chicas, we'll be giving 100 Gcash. Right? So we'll be giving 100 Gcash for our trivia question for tonight. Ako ba mag-ask o ikaw na, Chard? As the game master.
Hindi ako sure sa... Anong
Where's the question? Ayun.
carry ko ba?
Yes, ikaw na, Chard.
Teka, hanapin ko yung question ko. Tama.
So may pa-icebreaker
Oh, yung
tayo.
chi-
Guys, for-
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah, yung tanong mo kanina.
Yung chinat ko sa'yo, Fritz, di ba?
Yes.
Okay. Hala. So itong question na to talaga para talaga sa mga anong tawag dito nagbasa at nakinig sa introduction tsaka sa PubMat namin. So ang tanong, sino ako? Hindi, joke lang.
Charlie
Eto.
Charles, yung mga fancy Charlie Charles.
Labas, mga fans ni
Ano?
Chard.
Baka biglang lumabas yung mga fans mo, Charles.
Hala! Uy, wag ganyan. Ito. Seryosong tanong. Saan nagtapos si Miss MJ sa kanyang postgraduate degree in Applied Positive Psychology? Anong pangalan ng school doon sa Singapore?
Ay, wait, sasagot na ako.
Ano?
Comment. So comment your answers. First to comment sa ating comment section will get the prize. Ding, 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 ding.
Yes.
Yan.
Wala
Sorry
sa
guys.
sagot.
Nag-echo ba?
Okay na.
Wala.
I think okay
Wala
with me na.
Okay. Ayun na,
Oh my
Charlie
gosh.
Charles ba?
Yung una lumabas. Hi, Luis.
Mabagal mag-type yung admin ng Charlie Charles.
So again, the question is, what was the school? Ayun. I think we have an
Ayun.
answer na.
Uy, may Himala. Iba yung
Ayun.
naging winner natin tonight.
Oo nga, wala si Rose. Wala ba si Rose?
Mukhang busy si
Ay,
Rose.
neto.
Yeah, wala si Rose.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
True.
So the answer is the School
Ayun, we have
of
our winner.
Positive Psychology.
Positive Psychology.
Hooray.
Yun.
So, we'll get in touch with you, Tetol.
Nag-search pa to si Tetol eh.
Sa CDO na namin ibibigay yung ano mo. Grabe.
Sa meet up daw, guys.
Sa meet up na.
Oo.
Ay, ngayon ko lang
Ayun.
nakita yung comment section. Andito pala sa Book Chicas PH nga pala na page. Yan. So, hi guys sa mga nanonood. Kamusta? Si Where Your Books nandito. Hello!
Si Miss Leia. Hello, Miss Leia.
Naunahan ko ang mga first honors.
Yes,
Mami,
ikaw
else,
valedictorian
very good na.
ngayon.
Ayun. So, Mami MJ is back.
Bali po, Miss
Okay.
Cristel, paki-claim na lang po yung cheque niyo po na worth 1 million
Mm-mm.
centavos.
Grabe na sa 1 million centavos.
Hala, 10,000 pesos yan, Ate Wen.
Paki-claim na lang po kay Richard. I-check niya daw po. Again, congrats po. Yan, nandito
Thank
na
you
ulit si
for
Mami MJ.
answering. Yes, so we're back. So let's proceed to our third question for Mommy MJ. Or you have something else to add from our previous question?
Yeah, maybe I'll just add. It's
Yeah.
a parang real life no na challenge as a woman. So I just recently became a mom, and I think the main challenge like now was taking care of the baby. At the same time, it's juggling a lot of responsibilities. So I'd really like to commend all the women who are watching right now, because it's not easy to break norms that society has built around us, and it's very difficult for us to kind of find our safe space kasi people expect us to be super women, but sometimes we just want to rest, that kind of thing. So right now I feel really tired because I'm not feeling well, and I was taking care of the baby and the baby was fuzzy. But I realize now that it's like this experiences reminds me of the power of a woman. Like she is able to face everybody with a smile on her face, even though she has made plenty of sacrifices behind the scenes. So kudos to all the women out there. Um, and thank you for spending time with us now. So that's what I'd like to add. Sige, let's proceed kasi the questions are very nice.
There. Thank you, Mommy. Ako din para akong that was heartwarming. Nakaka-touch yung message ni Mommy MJ. So, okay, let's proceed to our third question. So, in what ways, Mommy MJ, do you believe positive psychology can uniquely benefit women in their personal and professional lives? So, you've already mentioned the struggles of a woman. So, what more can you add to this one?
Sure. I think first let's break the myth of what positive psychology is. Kasi there is a myth that since it's called positive, we have to be positive all the time. So that's the number one myth I'd like to debunk. So the reason why it's called positive psychology is just to have to I think its presence is to create the balance between classical psychology, which is about diagnosing illnesses, and positive psychology is about recognizing kung ano yung mabuting traits or characteristics na meron ka. So, your character traits are as real as illnesses. Parang ganun siya. So, positive psychology is not about being positive all the time. It's about the art and science of well-being. So it means to say that we practice growth mindset. We actually try to learn ways and techniques and tools for us to flourish. One of those tools in positive psychology is character strengths. So character strengths are our innate characteristics, our innate capabilities that make us feel ito yung best ko, or this is the real me. Like, oh my gosh, it just makes sense. Like, for example, the readers out there are really into books, right? Perhaps one of your character strengths is love for learning. Right? You don't just, parang hindi mo ma-understand bakit gusto mong mag-attend ng seminars, bakit gusto mong magbasa ng libro, right? When other people don't like it, maybe because it's your character strengths. So, as women, I would suggest and recommend to know your strengths. Not only does it give you confidence you need to decide which steps to take in your life, it also will give you the direction you will be taking. Parang if you're confused in your life right now, or you feel languishing, like you don't know where you belong, or you're just floating, knowing your character strengths will help you boost confidence and add direction to your life. So that's one of the tools that I lobby for as a positive psychology, and how it should help women like us to flourish in life. Yeah.
Yan. So, magko-comment ako. So, syempre, para sa mga, yun nga sabi kanina ni Mami MJ, sa mga myths, hindi lang siya ganun kadali. Like, kasi yung ibang tao, di ba, parang yung norm na, maging masaya ka lang, pagising mo. Maging masaya ka lang, pilitin mo lang maging masaya. Yun na yun. Akala nila kasi ganun lang kasimple, di ba? Which is
Yeah,
lalo yung
true.
para sa mga may pinagdadaanan ng mga kaibigan natin. Hindi naman pwedeng,
Tama.
maging masaya ka lang, pagising mo, maging masaya ka lang, okay na yun.
Correct. I don't know if you've
May-
noticed though, there are 30 people watching this, 30 plus, and there's us, right? So I don't know if you've noticed, but when I was describing what my feeling is right now, it's not happy and positive, right? I said I was tired, not feeling well, I was stressed out. So we have to build that safe space for us to express what our real feelings are. Kasi that's what we lack. We don't have that safe space. Parang if you're angry, sasabihan ka, "Oy, lumalabas yung tunay mong kulay." Right? So positive psychology is also about that. It builds that space where we can be honest about our feelings and emotions. Why? Listen to this. Because our emotions are data. They are telling us something. The data that I received from my emotions now is telling me I need to rest. That's the data I got, right? So if we are not attuned to our emotions, parang pinipilit lang natin to be happy all the time, we will miss out the crucial details that will help us learn more about ourselves. So if you are feeling emotions that are, we call it unproductive, like for instance sadness or joy, or anger for instance, allow yourself to feel it, right? That's what they say, you sit with the emotion, but again it's very difficult. So tonight, if there's one line I'd give everybody, not just women but all of us, it's this: lean into your discomfort. You just lean into it a little, okay? Kasi that's how we grow, eh. No matter who you are, that's how we grow. If we don't lean into our discomfort and just fake happiness, parang bahala na or whatever, in the long run it's toxic and poisonous, right? The victim there will be you. Parang ikaw lang din yung magsasuffer. And life is messy. That's a given. So why not just lean into the messiness and lean into the chaos a little bit and know that you're not alone, right? Everybody is chaotic in some ways. Parang ganun siya. So lean into your discomfort.
That's true. Wow, that's a really great
Mm-mm.
advice. Para share ko lang kasi I had
Ganda.
recently a talk with Wendell. I told her na kasi parang medyo ano yung sinabi ni Miss MJ. You know guys that we had a recent sale, right? A March super sale, and most of you. Oh,
Ba't kayo tumatawa?
Ba't kayo natatawa?
Seryoso yung sasabihin niya.
Oo nga.
Gusto ko i-pinpoint kasi silang dalawa, di ba may nag-mind kayo?
No.
Yes.
Hindi yun ang gusto ko sabihin. Pero dahil natawa kayo, parang na-guilty kayo. Okay. So going back sa gusto ko sabihin, na may connect sa sinabi ni Miss MJ, no? So we just finished our March super sale, and kung since participants naman kayo doon, some of them are kung nakita nyo naman na usually ako lang talaga yung offer and stuff, and dalawang GC pa to, with over more than 400 people joining us dun sa sale. So I had a talk with Wen, sabi ko, I felt na burn out ako, sabi kong ganon. I felt na burn out ako. If you notice, walang posting, yung mga posting lang ni Wendell na mga updates, but the offers usually nung mga nakaraang sale prior to this,
Araw-araw.
after ng sale or mga 3 days after ng sale, usually nagpo-post na ulit ako. I told Wen na parang na-burn out ako. Pero if I continue this, na ma-burn out ako at hindi maging productive, walang mangyayari. So, parang kahit na burn out ako, parang yung sinasabi ni Miss MJ kanina na lean on your discomfort. Still, kailangan mo pa rin pilitin. Pinilit ko pa rin yung sarili ko na hindi, kailangan kong kailangan kong mag-offer. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy to. Although yes,
Magpahinga lang.
kailangan lang na magpahinga. Pero even though na-feel ko pa rin yung burnout na feeling, kailangan ko pa rin ituloy to. Kasi I think na eventually the burnout, yung pagkaka-burnout ko will parang dissipate naman in the long run. So I think it really parang correlates doon sa sinasabi ni Miss Mary Jed. Kaya parang medyo natameme ako kanina na okay, parang relate ako dito sa sinasabi niya na okay, you should lean on your discomfort. Saktong-sakto, 'di ba? Wala lang, share ko lang, guys.
Yes.
So, pero parang medyo nag-guilty kayo nung sabi ko March Super Sale. Hindi ko naman i-call out yung mga namay nyo. Grabe naman kayo.
I think to add on, magandang topic kasi, Sir Locke. There is a researcher, her name is Susan David, and she wrote, "When do you grit and when do you quit?" So, just to give you the definition of grit, it's like going through the obstacles to reach your dreams. Parang even if it's difficult, you still wake up each day and parang gusto mo talaga yung i-achieve na dream na yon. So, it's like running a marathon. Parang hindi siya sprint, like you achieve it right away. It's a marathon. Parang it takes time and there are a lot of challenges along the way. So that's what we call grit. Angela Duckworth is the proponent for that. So there's also there are moments when we have to be gritty, right? Kasi we have dreams, right? Pero when do we quit? I think that's the crucial question kasi there are moments na parang the challenge is super high and then your physical mental well-being is already being tested. So when that happens is you just use the easiest way, the easiest method you can do at any time, at any moment, and that is to pause. So, taking a deep breath. Kasi we won't notice it when we are going through all those challenges. Our shoulders actually hunch up and we clench our jaws and parang nagpe-painful na din yung head natin and then our back. So there is physical manifestations for stress and we are even not aware of it until such time that it's super painful already. So that means to say it's already too late for you to to take a break, right? But again, if you can, you take a break. What I'm trying to say is that there are ways that we can do to mitigate stress. For instance, just taking that pause and taking in a deep breath. Because the breath will anchor us in the present moment. One of the ways I can also manage stress is by talking to my husband because he's my sounding board. Like, I just vomit all the negativities and all the pain and all the stress that I have. And he is very receptive to it in such a way that he doesn't show emotional attachment to what I'm trying to say. He's like a dustbin na walang sa bottom. He's just parang let the trash flow. Parang ganun siya. So it's important to have people like that also. We call it your social network. So I would like to commend also Sir Luck and Miss Wen for what you shared earlier on kasi it was a very big sale and there's like a lot of requests, there's a lot of like messages here and there and a lot of people including me.
Me.
So it's
Actually,
really
nung-
stressful.
Nung sineshare niya yan, sabi niya, parang nabe-burnout ako. Sabi niya naman, edi pahinga ka muna. Sabi niya, kasi pag nagpahinga ako, baka mamaya parang mawala sa momentum. Sabi niya, parang sa pagiging honest lang, sabi niya ganyan, pag nawala tayo sa momentum, parang hindi natin mapapanindigan yung parang pinangako natin sa mga clients natin na magbigay ng mga affordable books. Ganyan, parang wala silang mabibilan ng affordable books. Napaka-advance niya mag-isip. Sabi ko lang naman, magpahinga lang siya. Kasi ganun na siya.
Siyempre, when you think about it, marami naglipa ng dyan mga shops na hindi ka yung hindi trusted, syempre, we don't want to give parang yung mga yung mga clients na magse-second guess sila na, oy, legit ba tong shop na to? Legit ba? At least, kasi if we're going to take a break at walang walang parang magpo-post, mga ganyan. It's like helping yung other na hindi, yung mga shops na hindi ka, alam mo yun, yung may ano talaga, yung may balak na mang scam na parang we're helping them.
Ganun na siya ka-advance mag-isip, guys.
At least,
Yeah.
at least, we're helping in a way na yung mga, mga readers na gustong bumili, at least, malayo doon sa mga hindi ka nais-nais.
Yan.
Oh, yun.
So anyway, merong may tanong.
Yes.
Ang tanong.
Ayan. So, ito kay, ewan ko kay Sir or Ma'am Reg Pokemon. Wow, may Pokemon na tayo.
Reg,
What
hi,
are your
Reg.
thoughts?
Hi,
Ayan.
Reg.
What are your thoughts on affirmations? I've been seeing it around social media and I kind of feel like it's one of those parang fake happy daw. So what are your thoughts doon, Miss MJ?
If your source is social media, then I suggest to do your deeper research kasi everything is on social media, right? Like that's given. So for me, affirmations are actually helpful to help our brains visualize what we want. That's also the reason why journaling is important, right? If you do write on your journal, and the reason for that is so that our brains can register what's actually happening inside of you. It has a visual stimuli, parang it can see it. So that's the purpose of affirmations also. By voicing it out, your brain can make the connection that, oh, this is what she wants. Fine. Then let's try to subconsciously or subconsciously give her what she needs. And then suddenly it all clicks. So that's what affirmation is basically. It's not fake happiness. It's more of like how do you use it, right? Kasi may mga gurus na will want to earn money from you, parang pagpeperahan ka. Parang ganon. So you have to be mindful of where you get your sources also. Affirmations are very useful, but I would suggest to take it easy in consuming where you get the information from. You have to be mindful whose source you're getting that information from. Yeah.
Ayun. Thank you, Miss MJ, for clarifying it kay Reg Pokemon. Ayan. So, shout out sa aking mga kabadis dyan kay Sir Mine from Oman. No, go watch pa tayo from Oman. Ayan. So, hello. So, ayun.
Sir John Dante is watching also. Hi. Okay, and we have another question from Miss Leia. So,
Ayun.
hello guys, really enjoying this session. I would like to ask Hannah how Bren Brown influenced Miss MJ and what key teachings from Brown has she incorporated in her professional or personal life?
Ganda.
So Brene Brown is the author of Gifts of Imperfection, and she's also the researcher for Shame and Guilt. So she said na there's a lot of things I love from her research. One specific thing that I admire is that it's the Gifts of Imperfection is a book. It's a book I can recommend. Parang it's all about how our imperfections are actually gifts. You know, it's like when we see our imperfections as gifts rather than parang trash or parang something you don't want, you kind of meet kindred spirits by being your authentic self, you know. You find your tribe, the people who are always there for you, or the people who constantly will mirror your greatness to you rather than always shun you down. So that's actually one of the books I like reading. And one of the concepts from Brene Brown that I also would like to share to the rest of the listeners and the viewers for our live today or tonight. So it's, I think, 200 pages, not very lengthy, but it's really impactful. Yeah.
Yun.
Ayun.
Itatanong ko pa din sana kanina kay Miss MJ kung ano yung mga, yun yan, di ba nagbigay siya ng book.
True. Ayun,
Tatanong ko
isa
sa
na
kanya kung ano talaga yung marirecommend niya na talagang merong positive psychology kasi minsan yung mga self-help books parang nakaka-gaslight nakaka-gaslight minsan. Hindi maiwasan sa self-help books yun. Anyway, thank you Miss MJ for recommending yung book kanina.
Yeah, I have another
So,
one
aside
here
pa
I
doon, Miss
prepared.
Ay, no?
MJ, ayan.
Women. Sige, Miss MJ, ano po yung book?
So this one is Women Who Run with the Wolves by Dr. Clarissa Pincola Estes. So this one is about myths and stories of the wild woman archetype. Kasi we have this kind of like idea of a woman that must be posh, parang proper, prim and proper, right? But inside of a woman, there is also the wild woman archetype. Like she is intense, she is passionate, she is like driven. But sometimes society sees it as a no, 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 we don't want women like that, right? If you are like my experience in Singapore, if I say what I really want to say, then it's like okay, but when you do that here in the Philippines, it's like, oh, parang disrespectful ka, ha? You're not respecting me. So we are shunning out the wild woman in us that makes us suffer. So this book is about empowering. It's not really, it's not a self-help book. It's more of like where the wild woman archetype came from and what is the relevance of the wild woman archetype in our lives as women now, so that we're not afraid of who we are. We're not afraid of our chaos. We're not afraid of our, instability. Sometimes we are embracing of it. This is one of the books I can recommend, really. Women Who Run with the Wolves.
Noted po.
Nalista ko na.
Type ko na talaga. Baka pwede yung recommendation from MJ na list ng books na for pre-order.
Oo.
Diba?
Miss MJ, baka mamaya makita niyo yung post namin bukas sa Books From Us. Yung mga pinakita kapitalista pala.
I sold out pa po si Brene Brown sa book outlet. Kaka-check ko lang. Wow.
Oh, sold out na
Maganda siya.
siya. Oh.
We have other sources.
Ay, ayun. Sinerch ko din sa ibang source. Basta.
Ayan.
Ala.
So, Miss MJ, aside sa mga books na nabanggit nyo, baka meron baka meron pang iba.
Hindi kasi actually, since kami nila Chard, nila Fritz, mostly yung mga binabasa kasi naman natin talaga, fantasy, di ba? So, napakadalang natin magbasa ng self-help. Alam ko naman yun. Kasi ako din ganun. Parang iilan lang yung self-help na nabasa ko sa buong buhay ko, parang wala pang 10. Kasi nga minsan, mas feeling ko na minsan nai-invalidate yung nararamdaman ko dun sa sinasabi ng book. Tapos minsan, parang nagagaslight ako, parang kasalanan ko pa na ganito yung nararamdaman ko. Kaya talagang nilista ko yung mga sinabi ni Miss MJ, yung talagang inline dun sa positive psychology. Yan, thank you po.
I have one more. This is
Pwede ko-
really positive psychology based. Self-compassion. So it's not like it's not spoon feeding you with what you should do. Parang it makes you understand why we have to be our own friend. Parang if I ask you now, your friend is devastated about the loss of their family member, what's the first thing you ask? How are you? How are you feeling? Are you okay? But if we ourselves make a mistake, what's the first thing we tell ourselves? Gago, ang idiot mo talaga. Parang ganun, di ba? There's a
Bakit mo ginawa yun?
bakit mo ginawa yun? So, but again, the bigger question is, who is always there for you 24/7? It's yourself, right? So that's self-compassion. This one is by Dr. Kristen Neff. And I just like to share, how do you say, Journey to Wholeness. So this one is what we say whenever we feel tired, whenever we feel exhausted, and you just don't understand what's going on in your life right now. So you just repeat these 4 phrases. You take in a deep inhale first and exhale. And unclench your jaw and relax your shoulder. And whenever you notice something about yourself that you don't like, or whenever something goes wrong in your life, silently repeat these following phrases. This is a moment of suffering. Suffering is part of life. May I be kind to myself in this moment. May I give myself the compassion I need. And that's it.
Uy,
Kasi
grabe. Parang nakalibre tayo ng session kay Miss MJ. Sorry na. Thank you po, Miss MJ.
But it's true. Parang when you talk with MJ, grabe yung wisdom that you get from her. So,
Yes,
yeah,
very.
ayun. So anyway, naiiyak na naman ako.
Oo nga, ewan ko bakit nakaka-relax ka usap si Miss MJ.
True.
Parang pinapamukha niya sa atin na yung buong pagkatao natin ay valid. Parang ganon.
Kahit
Mm-mm.
maging
It's
sino ka
giving,
man.
ganon.
Yeah.
Yes.
Parang mamahalin ka niya maging sino ka man. Ah,
Wow,
Oh,
ganun telenovela na.
Ah, wala
so
akong titingnan ganyan. Sino ba?
we have a message from Sir John Dante. Our immediate society is inherently patriarchal, which is so sad. Though we can already see changes in movements regarding this. Salamat Ate Jed. Continue to be that beacon and voice for empowerment. Yes. Love it.
Ayun, nandyan rin pala si
Oh,
Franz. Hi, Franz.
Ayun.
Hi, Franz.
Uy, nakaabot si Franz.
Ayan.
di ba nag-enjoy din kayo?
Ayan.
Aminin nyo guys.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so do we have other questions pa ba from the viewers?
I
Or
think si Chard
you
may
might also
question.
want to ask to Mommy MJ about her as a bookworm din, no? 'Di ba? Can we discuss
Oo.
about that then, o 'di ba?
I'd like to
Ayun.
share something. Kasi
Mm.
my goal this year at Book Chicas, no, is just 2024 followers, just to match the year. That was just my goal. But suddenly I was like, how come I have 14,000 followers now? It all started with me posting what I like. Like I like Tolkien, Dostoevsky, vintage, Bachman, coffee, nature, and stuff like that. And then suddenly I got a lot of followers. Parang I don't know how Instagram works, but that's how it was. And for me, that was a testament of how linked we are together. How, you know, how we are so intertwined. Parang ganon.
Hindi, totoo nga kasi, nung fina-follow ko kasi si Miss MJ dun sa isa kong account. Tapos, di ba nga, nagpe-prepare ng PubMats, ang nakaano pa lang doon, di sabi niya nga 2024, yung target niya. Tapos, chinek ko, nung that time, 12,000. Tapos, nung biglang kahapon, nung magpo-post na, 14,000 na. Ang bilis!
True.
O, parang ano yun, parang...
Deserve.
Ang message na sabi nga ni Miss MJ, i-post mo kung ano yung nakakapagpa-happy sa'yo, kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, ganun. Diba?
Yes.
Kasi kung mag-pretend tayo para lang makisabay, parang hindi natin masusustain.
Mm-mm.
Correct.
Mm-mm.
I used to do filters kasi
Ah.
I wanted it to look nice, no? Parang I also found an template I liked sa VSCO. And then my old phone died. Like it cannot sustain the lifestyle anymore of taking photos and with annotations and then editing it. Parang it gave up. So my husband got me a new phone and I just started shooting from that phone directly and then posting it. And then it worked. Parang there will be people who will still be attracted to the content you make because it's you. It's your story, it's your authenticity that they're attracted to. It's not really the aesthetic so much. So that's what I learned. Yeah.
Ayun.
Nice.
Si Chard yata may question pa.
Actually, meron. And it's
Ayun.
following the message of Sir John Dante na saying that MJ is a beacon and voice for empowerment. And since we are celebrating International Women's Month this March, what message do you have, Mommy MJ, to help convey to women around the world about the power of their voices and the to create positive change?
Well, thank you for that wonderful question.
Miss Universe. Miss Universe pala.
I think for women who are watching this, my message is to embrace who you are, regardless of the imperfections you see in yourself. Like if you find your being vocal is something you don't like, but it feels right to you, so don't change yourself, you know? Know your strengths, know your character strengths, because again, they help guide you to gain more confidence, add more perspective in your life, and also boost your direction, no, wherever you want to go in life. And also be true to yourself. Is cliche as it may sound, there is beauty and wisdom in going back to your why, to who you are. Sometimes we just choose to bury it kasi it's very unpleasant if you excavate it. Like, you will see a lot of parang mga ayaw mong makita. You will see that there are things about yourself you don't like. But these particular things are exactly what makes you unique and authentic. And there are people out there who are waiting for you to tell your story because they too need a beacon of light. And that could be you and your story. So if you choose to hide under perfection, then you will live your life missing out on those amazing, wonderful people and community. But if you choose to embrace your imperfections, the gifts of imperfections, you will find a place where you can say, I am here, I have arrived, and I'll stay here.
Wait, ina-absorb ko pa.
Naiiyak ako, promise.
Sabay siya umiiyak. Nakaka-touch.
Ayan.
Grabe. Parang tayo talaga, nag-session with Mami MJ. Ay, syempre, session naman talaga. Hindi naman kapag
Miss MJ, kilala mo ba si Mysteries? Nag-comment siya, I'm a fan, sabi niya. Diba si Mysteries yung naging guest din namin before?
Yes. Hi, Mysteries!
Good evening po.
Ayan. So, I think we've reached na yung 1 hour natin. But,
Ang cute ni
pero,
Fritz.
yes. Yung nagiging speechless na si Fritz, dapat siya yung So, Miss MJ, anything na any future plans, any pwede po kayo mag-plug, ano po yung mga events nyo sa mga susunod na araw or mga weeks and stuff.
Naaabangan po namin.
Naaabangan ng natin mga viewers natin. Ayan.
Thank you. Thank you. You can visit my page, Heart to Speak, kasi there's a repertoire, repertoire. There's a lot of content there, videos. I call it Swift Sessions. There's a funny story behind that also, kasi when I started Swift Sessions by Heart to Speak, the purpose is to shoot live and just say whatever comes into my mind. So whatever you're seeing there is raw, unedited content, and sometimes I'm not, parang hindi ayos yung mukha ko. But the goal for me there was to challenge myself to be my authentic self and still be able to give quality content from my own heart and my own story. And it worked. I'm almost nearing 100, but motherhood came. So, yeah, you can visit Heart to Speak, and then you can also visit me sa Scribbles and Books on Instagram, and then let's be friends there. Let's talk about books there. And for Bisaya readers also, you can join Book Chicas PH kasi we're a very nice community of Bisaya readers. So we also have members from around the world that are Bisaya. So if you're from Oman and you speak Bisaya, then you join us.
Yan,
Yes.
sige.
And also books from us kasi magaling silang mambudol ng books.
loyalty award.
Oh yeah.
Loyal.
This is unreleased yet sa Philippines, and I
Oh.
got this from them, Books From Us. So look at my annotations there, a lot.
OMG, tapos mo na agad.
Yeah. So The Women by Christine Hanna also celebrates the impact of women during the Vietnam War. So very good book also. Historical fiction.
Oy guys, seryoso yung mga Bisaya readers. Sali kayo sa Book Chicas. Ako nga hindi Bisaya pero alam mo, basta ewan, grabe yung pagka-solid nila doon. Grabe.
True. So, kung sa mga Bisaya readers natin out there, if you're looking for a book club, makachikahan,
An authentic book club.
yes,
Oh, thank you.
join Book
Guys.
Chicas. So, speaking of Book Chicas, any events coming sa inyo?
I think for us, we're going to have our book of the month discussion this coming Saturday. So yeah, see you. We're going to discuss
Ayun,
Spin the Dawn.
Ah,
Spin the Dawn siya. Oo,
Spin the
kasi
Dawn.
we're,
Yeah.
it's about
Promodizer ako.
the promodizer. Kasi yung theme namin for this month is fairy tale retelling na nag-focuses on the strong and independent female lead. So, nanalo si Spin the Dawn and we're gonna discuss the book this coming Saturday. So, see you.
Ayun. So, yun guys. So, if you wanted to join their conversation, the book of the month nila, you can join them sa Book Chicas. Okay?
Yes.
Also, sa atin, upcoming, we will be close on the Holy Week.
Napaisip ako, ano
Wala tayong upcoming. So, Books From Us will, to observe yung ating Holy Week, we will be out starting from Holy Thursday up until, so balik na namin nun is sa Monday na nun,
April 1.
April 1st. Yeah.
So, mark safe yung wallets niyo, guys.
Yes. Wala mo nang
Ay, hindi
budulan.
pa rin.
Hindi, sila kasi nang bubudol sa sarili
Oo
nila.
nga, true. So, ayun. Minsan pinipigilan ko na nga sa GC. Yung alam mo yun, naka-recover na ba yung wallet mo? Tapos, alam mo yun, sila pa rin yung may gusto kahit pinipigilan mo na sila dahil yun nga, part ng pagiging burnout ko pa noon yung mga panahon na yun. So anyway, so guys, we will be close again on Holy Week to observe it para magnilay-nilay muna tayo. And then we will be back on April 1st na so tuloy-tuloy tayo. So,
Yun, so kung meron lang kayong
ayan.
concerns or basta kung meron kayong concerns, i-send nyo na sa amin. Kasi syempre, pagdating ng Holy Week, baka hindi kami makareply or
That's
delay yung mga replies namin.
So most probably we will reply na pagdating ng Monday.
Mm.
But we will resume our shipment on Saturday. Okay? So guys, yung mga hindi pa nagpapa-ship, please magpa-ship na kayo dahil we've talked sa mga couriers. They will be
Unavailable.
Until, na lang, Wednesday. Wednesday, that's gonna be Holy Wednesday. So wala na silang operation after that.
Napaship mo na, Chard, yung sa'yo.
Yes, actually, yun yung sasabihin ko.
Ayan.
So yeah, so there we go. Thank you again to Mami MJ for gracing us with your presence tonight and for a very heartwarming and lesson-filled session tonight for Books and Chicas. And wag na natin siguro patagalin pa. So Mami MJ can rest also.
Yes,
So thank you so much.
Ayun.
And thank you
you
to
so much.
everyone watching us and joining us until the end of this session. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Ma'am MG. Makapagpahinga ka na po dahil masama ang yung pakiramdam.
Yes, at maano
Thank
niya yung sige.
everyone. Thank you,
Ayun,
Chard.
so,
Love
thank you,
you,
Thank you
guys.
guys and good night.
Thank you, Fritz.
Good night,
Thank you, Ate
everybody.
Well. Thank you for the luck. Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Mami MJ. Good night.